Welcome to Just Another Glam-Up. Today I will be using a frame to create a chalkboard. Now this frame has this, I don't really know what this is called, some kind of metal square, I don't know. But I'll be using this. I'm taking out the metal and I'm going to put in some chalkboard. You can see it's really flimsy. I don't really know what they could have been doing with that. So I took my circular saw, I measured and I drew with a pencil onto the chalkboard. The chalkboard cost me about $11 at Home Depot. And I'm just taking my circular saw here and cutting it out. Now that I have my chalkboard cut to what I want it to be, the correct size, I'm just opening up these metal holder things that are on the picture frame, and I'm going to put my chalkboard in. There's a whiteboard side, but I like the chalkboard look better, and it actually fits pretty perfectly. Just slide it in there. Takes a little wiggling. It gets in there pretty nicely. It's a good fit. And then I just put my little metal holders back down, and you can see when I flip it over that it looks pretty good. I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to put on the chalkboard, but I decided to go with kind of a weekly calendar where we could put our doctor's appointments or events that we were going to. So I have this chalkboard pen, or this chalk pen. It's a little harder to take off than chalk, but it stays on much better than chalk. So this will be something that I won't be erasing. And you could easily come back and write what you want with a regular piece of chalk and then erase it. And this writing that I'm doing right now won't erase with it. So I decided to go with kind of a weekly calendar. And at the bottom, I put a really cool quote. I love Benjamin Franklin and all of his work on self-reliance and just making yourself better. And I thought that the quote that I put really fit with a calendar. here's a quick look at the before. And here it is hanging up on my wall with my little wristlet and my keys on it. Be really neat to put our appointments and everything on. And once again, thanks for watching just another Glam Up. I hope you enjoyed it.